you guys excited for Disney World? Yeah!
Tootie, look at Tootie.
Bitches!
Also, ladies and gentlemen, just morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard EC43 First Officer City. We're going to be underway.
So we just got to Starbucks. How was the flight?
Awful, bitch.
Slept the whole time.
Yes, it was quick. It was like what?
Woke me up. 45 minutes.
Yeah.
45-minute flight.
It was a great nap.
Yeah.
It was.
Freaking freezing on the plane, but
Yeah, I was.
the landing woke Christian up. And we all had a few drinks too many last night, so some of us are hungover. Christian,
Randall
yeah,
had
Christian is
too many.
hurting right now, poor thing.
It's not too bad. I'm proud of you. I'm glad you're not sick. I'm cool with it.
So now we're gonna get some coffee, and then where are we going?
Disney.
So we just made it in. Woo!
So happy.
We got through security. They took Alexis's mace away.
I was like, what are you gonna do with that? It's Halloweeny. I like saying Halloween. I know.
Halloweeny. So excited. What time is it right now?
Alexis. 10:50.
10:50? Oh damn, it is early still.
I gotta get
We stopped to get some food because we are so hungry before we go on any rides. We haven't even gone on our first ride yet.
more energy. So hungry.
Yeah, we need energy.
You've been up for like how many hours?
We've been up since 4 in the morning. I got chicken parmesan, spaghetti, and a salad. Our first ride of the trip is Dumbo.
We're Dumbo.
Like, we love Dumbo.
Dumbo!
So, what rides have we rode so far?
Small World.
That's all I can
And
remember.
Dumbo.
Oh yeah, Small World Dumbo.
And Goofy.
And I changed my outfit because my dress was giving me complications. So now I'm rocking my nighttime outfit. The girls are gonna change into their nighttime outfit a little bit later, so. Thank God I packed this because I have a bug bite that is like out of this world, horrible, and it was like,
You want me to show it?
okay, yeah, show it.
It's nasty.
Yeah. Ew.
Oh, we have two.
No. So my dress was scratching it and it was really painful. So I just changed early into my second outfit. We're all doing 2 outfits a day because we're bougie, I guess.
Bougie
and
like that.
yeah,
And
we're
it's
just
so hot.
It's
You
so
gotta
freaking
change.
hot. Yeah, I guess that's the main reason, right? It's just so hot.
And we're going to different parks, so.
Yeah. All right, what's the next ride? Oh, we're gonna go get some
Dole Whip.
Dole Whips now. Hell yeah. Behind the scenes. So I got myself some new earrings. I think they're so cute. Alexis saw them first and picked them out, so I had to copy her. Sorry, Alexis, but twinning. I love them. And what'd you get, girl?
Boom! Because the girl's ankles was hurting.
Yeah. She had to get some socks because her low-rise socks were hurting her ankles.
Yep. My cankles.
Yeah.
My cankles was hurting.
She had to get some socks because her
It was swelling up.
her cankles were swollen. So I bought these press-on nails before Disney, and I've never tried press-on. Yeah, I actually like how they turned out, but I had to file them down and shape them myself because they were like super long and claw-like. Took a little bit more time than I expected it to, but I really love the outcome. So far my thumb has only popped off, but that was this morning and I just glued it back on, and all the nails have been pretty sturdy, and I think they're like $8 from Walmart. So loving how these look. I just hope they last the whole trip. I brought the glue with me though, just in case, because you never know. So now we're going to Hollywood Studios where Toy Story Land is, apparently. What just happened?
It's not even raining. Yeah, we thought. We're ready.
We thought. So we just went to get a drink. Cheers, girl.
Cheers.
What did you get?
Blackberry moonshine.
Blackberry moonshine. Lemonade. Is it delicious?
Really good.
And I got a mint fizz drink. This one has gin in it and club soda. It's very refreshing because I need to be refreshed because I'm looking busted and feeling busted right now.
The first day is the hardest day at Disney because it's our travel day too. And we've been up probably, like we got 2 hours of sleep, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Not even.
Not even 2 hours.
The night before.
we were up late drinking till like 4 in the morning.
Not taking any naps, like we haven't really had a nap.
Yeah, we haven't. We've been going strong ever since we got here. So what time is it? Well, it's about to be 6?
Yep, 6.
Yeah, it's about 6 o'clock p.m. and then...
No, it's about to be 7. It's 6:55.
It's about to be 7. Now I got the frozen shaken Jamaican. It has cappuccino, Bailey's.
It's so good. It tastes like a milkshake.
Yeah, it tastes like a milkshake. It's freaking delicious. I was craving coffee and I also wanted another drink. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is perfect.
Wow. Oh, it looks so cute. Y'all were shrinking down to a toy size.
So we're just getting to Toy Story Land. You guys have all been here before, right?
They had never once been to it.
Oh, really?
I have,
You're the only one who's
haven't.
been in Toy Story Land? Why? When did it just open?
Opened like in June. Not June. Last year.
So this most recent time you want to come out.
Yeah.
So we just checked into our hotel room and we're freshening up, getting ready to go to dinner. We have a 10:30 reservation and it's about to be 10. So we need to be heading out the door. Right now. I can't wait to sit down and have a nice dinner with my girls because all we had today was fast food and we've just been non-stop today, so it'll be nice to just sit down and enjoy a meal. Maybe have another drink because I've only had 2 tonight, and then to just be able to take a shower and wipe the day away because today has been crazy.